Assalamualaikum students. Today we will start 10th class math exercise 2.3 sum 5. Find m. If the roots of equation 3x square minus 2x plus 7n minus 2 equals to 0, satisfy the relation 7 alpha minus 3 beta equals to 80. Now first we write equation 3x square minus 2x plus 7n plus 2 equals to 0. Here a equals to 3, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to 7m plus 2. Let alpha beta be the roots of given equation. First we find sum of roots. Sum of roots equals to alpha plus beta and its formula is minus b over a. Now we put the values. Here the value of b is minus 2 and the value of a is 3. Multiplying minus with minus, minus minus plus alpha plus beta equals to 2 over 3. Now we write here the value of beta. Shift alpha to the right hand side, its sign is changed. So the value of beta is 2 over 3 minus alpha. Now we find product of roots. Product of roots equals to alpha beta and its formula is c over a. The value of c is 7m plus 2 and the value of a is 3. So this is equation 2. Now according to given condition 7 alpha minus 3 beta equals to 18. In question we find m, that's why we first find the value of alpha and the value of beta. Now we put in equation 2 the value of beta. The value of beta is 2 over 3 minus alpha. So we put beta equals to 2 over 3 minus alpha in equation 3. 7 alpha minus 3, the value of beta is 2 over 3 minus alpha equals to 18. Here we take LCM. LCM is 3. 3 into alpha, 3 alpha. Now we write 7 alpha minus, cut 3 with 3 minus 2, multiplying minus with minus, minus minus plus 3 alpha equals to 18. Now add 7 alpha plus 3 alpha equals to 10 alpha. Shift minus 2 to the right hand side, its sign is changed. Add 18 plus 2 equals to 20. Now we divide 10 with 20, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So the value of alpha equals to 2. Now we put alpha equals to 2 in equation 1. Here we put alpha equals to 2. Beta equals to 2 over 3 and the value of alpha equals to 2. We take LCM. 3 into 2, 6. Solve 2 minus 6 plus minus minus, but bigger value is 6, so we take negative sign. 2 minus 6 equals to minus 4 over 3. So this is the value of beta. Beta equals to minus 4 over 3. Now we put the values alpha equals to 2 and beta equals to minus 4 over 3 in equation 2. Here we put alpha equals to 2 and beta equals to minus 4 over 3. Then we find the value of m. Now the value of alpha equals to 2 and the value of beta equals to minus 4 over 3. 7m plus 2 over 3. Multiplying 2 with 4, 2 into 4 equals to 8 plus minus minus over 3. Here we multiply 3 with 8, cut 3 with 3, rewrite values, minus 8 equal 7m plus 2. Shift 2 to the left hand side, minus 8 minus 2 equals to 7m. Minus minus plus, but bigger value is minus 8, so we take negative sign. Minus minus plus, 8 plus 2 equals to 10. Now we divide 7 with 10. So this is the answer of m. m equals to minus 10 over 7. Now we start another sum. Sum 6. Find m. If sum and product of roots of equation is equal to a given number lambda. First part is 2m plus 3 into x square plus 7m minus 5 into x plus 3m minus 10 equals to 0. First we write question. 2m plus 3 x square plus 7m minus 5 x plus 3m minus 10 equals to 0. Here a equals to 2m plus 3, b equals to 7m minus 5 and c equals to 3m minus 10. Let alpha beta be the roots of given equation. First we find sum of roots. Sum of roots equals to alpha plus beta and its formula is minus b over a. The value of b is 7m minus 5 and the value of a is 2m plus 3. Here we multiply minus 7 with bracket, minus 7m minus minus plus 5 over 2m plus 3. Now we find product of roots. Product of roots equals to alpha beta equals to c over a. The value of c is 3m minus 10 and the value of a is 2m plus 3. Now in given condition, sum and products of roots is equal to a given number lambda. So according to given condition, sum of roots alpha plus beta equals to a given number lambda and the product of roots alpha beta equals to a given number lambda. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Here we see both sum of roots and product of roots equals to a given number lambda. So we can write alpha plus beta equals to alpha beta. The value of alpha plus beta equals to minus 7m plus 5 over 2m plus 3 and the value of alpha beta equals to 3m minus 10 over 2m plus 3. Multiplying 2m plus 3 with minus 7m plus 5, here we cut 2m plus 3 with 2m plus 3, rewriting remaining values, minus 7m plus 5 equals to 3m minus 10. Shift 3m to the left hand side, minus 7m minus 3m equals to minus 10. Shift plus 5 to the right hand side equals to minus 5. These values add, minus minus plus, but bigger value is minus, so we take negative sign. Minus minus plus, these values plus, but bigger value is negative, so we take negative sign. Divide minus 10 with 15. Cut minus with minus. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So this is our answer. M equals to 3 over 2. Second part will be same. Now students, you can solve it. Okay,